Here we are at Valley Fair today. Today is Monday, and this is my first time going back to Valley Fair in probably over a year now. It has definitely been a while, and you know, so many changes have been in place for Valley Fair. We are parking near the Nordstrom entrance area, and right now the parking structure is not even full. It barely has any other cars. There are a few cars around in the area, but obviously compared to the large parking structure, it's definitely not a lot. So I don't know if it's because it's Monday or if people haven't been going to the mall. I don't think all of the stores are open, but I think they do have a good amount of stores that are. So I'm looking forward to checking out what is at Valley Fair. There has been construction at the Valley Fair, so I know that some of the stores will for sure be new. And I don't know if some of the stores have changed their layout or whatsoever, so I'm sure we'll see it all inside. Please make sure to give this video a like and also hit the subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to hit the notification button so you can know when I post my new videos. Let's go! So empty here at Nordstrom. So quiet here. The place behind me looks like where you would pick up your orders from Nordstrom. So that's super convenient that they have a designated space to do that. It looks super organized and really seamless. So I am loving this feature at Nordstrom. Not a lot of people today. I just got some items at Nordstrom, and apparently the fitting rooms are open because the checkout lady asked like, oh, if anyone helped me out and got me a fitting room, but I didn't know that the rooms were open, so that's something to know. Also, when I entered into Nordstrom, there is someone sitting at the counter right there, and they also have face masks and hand sanitizer there, so if you forgot to bring your face mask, they have it there. So that's super convenient and really accessible. We are entering the main area of the mall. Definitely some people at the mall, not as many people as compared to like the weekend, for instance. Williams-Sonoma over there. Some stores have moved, like this one, Aritzia. Nobody's checking our temperature, but there's like the sign over here. How cute is this? Looks like the Godiva has closed. I used to love going there. They had such phenomenal chocolate covered strawberries. So I'm kind of sad that that has closed down, but let's go to some of the other stores now. Picked up an item at Express. They didn't have access to the fitting room, So I guess only Nordstrom has access to the fitting rooms as of the stores that I went into. Each store has its own policy of how many people can go in and all that kind of stuff. This is the new section. I had never went into this section. So usually there's only 2 areas, but now they made this other 3rd section and it looks so beautiful and new. Oh my goodness. It looks like that's going to be another place here. That looks so beautiful. This is a giant Urban Outfitters store. So they moved the Santana Row one to this one here. There are so many stores over there that have no shelves or anything. They're just empty spaces, but I think they've already gotten their names in. Looks like there's going to be a Felix Gray, Brick Chick, and some other stores over there. I think they're slowly opening them up. This is the Urban. I think that's an access to the parking garage, and that is the Bloomingdale's over there. This section over here is pretty empty. I mean, there's not that many stores that are open in this area since a lot of them are still like building the inside. Oh my goodness, this section has like these rainbows. They're so cute. I guess people can come in here and take photos. So adorable. Other stores here. There's like this atrium section. I love the openness of the space and I love these pillars too. So nice. They also have this super cute sun rays kind of exhibition here so you can take photos. Oh my gosh, the space is so nice. Love it so much. All here is so new. Oh, they moved the Anthropologie from Santana Row to here. I love Anthropologie. It also has this like mural over here. I think they're still building over on that side, but I think this is it for now. There's like nobody here in this Anthropologie. It's so quiet. There's Gucci at the bottom. Fabletics, they have a store now. I didn't know that. Versace. Still super empty here. They have a huge Aritzia store. There's Zara over there. Zara has 2 levels. The Ritual store, Avita. Jo Malone, see. White House Black Market. Oh my goodness, I just saw that there's a Zara line. Zara line ends here. There's so many spots. So they know Zara gets super crowded. Yeah. So unfortunately Pinkberry has shrunk, so it's only a very small section in the middle of the mall where they have a kiosk so you can get your Pinkberry fix. Back on Santana Row, it was super big. It was like the space of the Blue Bottle and more, so they've definitely downsized for Valley Fair. So empty here. There's this empty space over here. Looks like this North Face is opening up very soon. Oh, it's opening up upstairs actually, so I don't know if I saw that earlier today. There's a Gap there. Banana Republic. There is nobody entering the Nordstrom except me. Just came out of Valley Fair. As you can see, Valley Fair was super not crowded at all, super empty. Some of the newer areas didn't have that many stores there. Everyone was really spread apart there. A lot of social distancing going on, which we love. Hand sanitizer was present everywhere we went, so that was really great to have. Everyone wore masks. Some of the stores that we went to, they had people designated in the front of the store to make sure that you were wearing a mask and that there was hand sanitizer if you needed them. At Nordstrom, there was people at the front like booth area and they had masks if you forgot to bring your mask. Overall, it was super fun to go to the mall and yeah, go to Santana Row also. If you haven't seen my Santana Row video, I'll have it linked above. So be sure to check that video out. What I miss about Valley Fair and Santana Row, and I guess any other place that we go to, I miss having a drink in my hand and just sipping the drink as anywhere I go. Now, when you go to Starbucks or anything, you kind of have to, you know, drink it at like a spot or when you're outside and sitting down only. You can't kind of hold your drink and sip it when you're walking around the mall. So that is definitely harder and something that I do miss. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow my channel as fast as I can and I'd love it if you subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you can get updated with my newest videos. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!